All right, so we're back to our daily SAT math questions. We're still using College Board's Educator Question Bank. And now let's try and work out a nonlinear expression. So let's do something a little bit difficult. I pre-selected one. So if you want to work on more questions here, just go ahead again. Just select all of them and then click export, and then you can create a worksheet of your own if you want a targeted practice for this domain, which is advanced math. So advanced math, it covers all simplifying expressions, nonlinear functions, nonlinear equations, and all those things. So let's go ahead and try one problem here. I've already pasted this on the board. So the goal here is to find a way to simplify this expression so that we end up with a simplified exponent for x. So let's go ahead and see how we can do that, okay? So for now, let me just pull up my whiteboard. So I'll stop sharing my screen first, and then let's go ahead to our whiteboard, okay? Existing whiteboard. I'm just selecting the whiteboard that we're working on. Here we go. All right. So what are some key properties that we should know? So always remember when you're working with an SAT problem, you also need properties of exponents. And what are some properties of exponent? So for one, the product of two numbers with the same base, they should just be equal to the base with the exponents as the sum. Let me just make this clearer by writing the property. Let me just fix the thickness of my pen. There we go. So we have a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n. So that's just equal to the sum of the exponents, right? What else? So it also applies for division. So if you see something like this, and the crucial part here is the base should be the same. So we have a raised to m minus m. What else? When it comes to radical, so let's say we have square root of a. This is just equal to a raised to 1/2. Now, what do we do if we have nth root? So that's just equal to a raised to 1 over n. Meaning, if you have an exponent inside, this is just equal to a raised to m over n. Okay, so there are a lot of exponent properties. I can go ahead and link a math cheat sheet below that you can use. And let's go ahead and simplify this expression for now. So we have x square root of x to the 5th power all over cube root of x to the 4th. So let's go ahead and use all these properties we've just learned and rewrite this. So what this tells us that we have x 5 over 2. Are you following me? Because n here is square root of 2. And then we have a power of 5, right? And then over here, we have x raised to 4 over 3. Because x is, we have an exponent of 4. And then we have a cube root of 3. Now we have this expression. And then remember this property we once we have the same basis, we can just subtract the two exponents here to simplify our expression. So we have x 5 over 2 minus 4 over 3. So let's just focus on subtracting these two first. So we have 5 over 2 minus 4 over 3. Just a quick refresher on our arithmetic as well. We can use this exercise. So we have 6 over 6, divide 6 by 2. That's 3. So we have 15 over 6 here and then 8 over 6 here. So just that's a quick arithmetic exercise for us as well. So that gives us what? X raised to 7 over 6. And this is what we're looking for, correct? So meaning A over B, that's just equal to 7 over 6. So I hope this video helps and reminds you to make sure that you actually know your exponent properties by heart. That way, you know intuitively what you do when you encounter problems like this. So if you also need help with any other questions from the SAT math prep books that you're using, feel free to go ahead and paste them below or in our subreddit, which is our SAT math, and I'll be happy to create a solution video for you. But for now, take a look at this solution. Check this math cheat sheet that I will be including right after this post, and then just let me know if you need any more help. I have a lot of resources as well that I can DM you. Just go ahead and comment them down. Let me know how else I can help you. Best of luck, everyone.